All right, guys. So, welcome back to Elite Start Training and welcome back to our Basic Search Operations course. In this module, we will start to take a look at basic land navigation. And this module was a challenge to really put together. Whenever I have a brand new searcher, this is one of the more challenging topics for a brand new searcher. And then to convey it in a way over video, in a way that's easy to follow, and it's something we could easily translate over to video. It was a bit of a challenge trying to figure out exactly what the scope of this video was going to be. So in this, the previous section we talked about search tactics, basic search theory and execution. Now we're going to move over to land navigation. We're going to introduce those fundamental topographical map reading and navigational concepts. Very much an introductory module, and it's very much an incomplete module, and it's done that way by design, just because it's a very challenging subject to do over recorded video. It's very much best learned hands-on in the field with tools and with someone kind of coaching you as you go along. And then on top of that, the amount of practice that's needed afterwards to maintain those skills, it's really really important. So by the end of this module, we have a number of objectives here we want to get you guys to. Describe the different information derived from the different types of maps used for search and rescue. We'll go through the process of orienting a topographical map to your location. We'll talk about some of the basic terrain features and symbology on a topographic map. We will go through the exercise of plotting coordinates to a map using both the U.S. National Grid and UTM coordinate systems. We'll talk about how you navigate to points on a map using dead reckoning. It's the concept of dead reckoning. And then finally, we'll talk about the different types of compasses for search and rescue and the importance for learning how to use them. With that said, that wraps up the introduction to this module, and we'll see you guys on the next video.